Bro, why are you dripped out as if it's your birthday and you have a hot date after this interview?
Yes, I'm a earth strong and yes, I have a hot date with two somebody after this.
Two? Stop the cap, bro.
Me, I go in a middle, myself on the right, and I on the left. The Grinch forward, hide everything.
Why?
Pussy, what me say for you?
Okay.
I bet you can't guess our favorite color.
Green?
Wrong.
What is it then?
Burglary. He look pan Corey with him resting green face around 2000. And now we in a 2026 and Corey still have nightmares.
You think he's a monster or human?
Well, him a one being where humanoid built and him breath have a monstrous kick. But I know nobody no know what kind of creature him be. Brother, me no sleep dead. Me sleep light. So tell me why me drop asleep on my bed Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Me wake up back pan the bumbo clock ground. Ref!
I'ma get me a water. You want one?
Yeah man, thanks.